Hello to all, welcome to another video on Ali Hassan official YouTube channel. From June 1st, 2023, 25 up and 26 down Bahauddin Zakriya Express again became operational between Karachi City and Multan Cantonment. On June 1st, 2023, 26 down Bahauddin Zakariya passing through Empress Bridge. This is the video compilation of same train shooted from same bridge on same date with 3 different camera angle. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Any reproduction or illegal distribution of the content in any form will result in immediate action against the person concerned.